Phrasal verbs are fascinating because they can be conjugated just like regular verbs, and they add a lot of flavor to our language. Let's dive into how to conjugate them effectively. When we use a phrasal verb as the main verb in a sentence, we only conjugate the verb part, leaving the other part or parts unchanged. For example, take the phrasal verb get up. In the sentence, I get up at noon during the summer, the verb get is conjugated to match the subject I, while up stays the same. Now let's switch it up a bit. If I say, this morning I got up at sunrise, here, got, is the past tense of get, and again, up remains unchanged. Notice how the verb get is irregular, so it changes form depending on the tense. Let's explore another example. I have gotten up early too many times this month. In this case, we use the present perfect tense, and gotten is the past participle of get. The key takeaway here is that the word up stays constant, while get adapts to fit the tense we need. Phrasal verbs can be used in all verb tenses, which means you can express a wide range of ideas. For instance, if I say, I will wake up early tomorrow, the phrasal verb wake up is in the future tense. The same pattern applies. Wake is the verb that changes, while up remains unchanged. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify this concept. If I say, she is looking after her younger brother, is the auxiliary verb, and looking is the present participle of look. The phrasal verb look after means to take care of someone, and after doesn't change. In the past tense, I could say, they looked after their pets while we were away. Here, looked is the past tense of look, and again, after stays the same. Now consider the importance of maintaining verb tense consistency, especially when listing multiple actions. For example, I woke up, made breakfast, and cleaned the house. Each verb is in the past tense, and if I used phrasal verbs, it would look like this. I woke up, cleaned up, and put away the dishes. Notice how woke, cleaned, and put change, while up and away remain constant. Using phrasal verbs effectively allows for more dynamic and engaging communication. They can express actions in a more vivid way. Instead of just saying, I completed my homework, you might say, I finished up my homework. This small change adds a bit more personality to your speech. In summary, conjugating phrasal verbs is straightforward once you understand the pattern. Conjugate the verb part and leave the other parts unchanged. This flexibility allows you to communicate a variety of ideas across different tenses. So, whether you're talking about the past, present, or future, phrasal verbs can help you express yourself clearly and effectively.